Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change language in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal line from the top right corner. Tap on Settings from the bottom of this page. From Settings, tap on Account. In the Account settings, you will find the option Language. Tap on this. Here you will find a list of languages. Choose the language which you want to set in your Instagram account. That's it. The language has been changed in your Instagram account. So in this way you can change language in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.